Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new adventures. Take a look at this 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara 4xe in bright white with LED reflector headlamps, full body color fender flares, 20-inch aluminum wheels, removable rear quarter windows, tow package, heated front seats, remote start system, 26,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, Select Track full-time four-wheel drive system, ALPINE premium audio system, 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7868.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.